So, did you know that the leaf of life, one leaf of the leaf of life, you could cut it in half long ways and get more from it, more suckers from it? Interesting. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. There's some suckers right there that are coming up. Yes, one great tip from my husband, my wise husband. Yes, did you know? Definitely share in the description section of this video if you knew that. It's a great herb, leaf of life, and a great way to start this new year. That is country living, and this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.